Basically, go down here, make a big U-turn to the right, and come back up the way you came from.
Like in front of this jump?
Yeah. Or go around the jump, actually. Whatever you do, don't come to a stop. Don't let off the gas. This is a perfect speed. Keep going. Hold it. Don't let go. Don't let go. It's going. Don't let go. Keep going. Whatever you do, don't let go. This is going to get a little deep.
I gotta go over this. I'm sorry.
I told you it gets deep right there. Alright, do it again. Go down a little further and a little wider. You're doing good. Yeah, go down here and make a big right turn. Keep your speed up. Yep. Yep, keep going, keep going. Now start making a big right turn. It's an interesting right turn.
What? Oh, oops.
Keep your foot down, keep your foot down, keep your foot down. This is deep as fuck. Don't let go. Oh my gosh, that was fun. Alright, you want to try it again, but this time in a right turn?
Yeah. Keep going?
Yep, keep going. Don't stop. Take that big right now.